Hi guys, it's Ugo again. Welcome to another Flyers YouTube video. So today we'll be making a flyer for a car dealership. Join me as I make it and pay attention. Thank you. So first step, open our Canva. As you can see, it's already loaded. To load your Canva once again, you search it and see. As for me, it's already a part of my tax bars or I've already visited them. So let's go. Now we want to make a flyer, so click on flyer portrait. Don't forget there are also different kinds of sizes, as you can see: Instagram post, logo, resume, flyer, and the rest. Today we'll be doing a flyer. Well, as you can see, this is the design I had made. I made this and so much more. So you want to upload your background. I already imported this, so this will be our background for today. Let's make it a race themed flyer. Yeah, we'll need this to show for it to be more racy vibe and everything. So this is our background. Now let's make it what name should we give it? Okay, let's use the famous one, Abuja Cars or Sarkin Mota. Sorry, I had him. Sarkin Mota. Sarkin Mota. Next person. Should we use this? Effects. Should give you an outline of whitish or reddish. I feel like reddish is kind of good, but let's see. Effects. Should we cover it a little bit? No. Yeah. So this should give the kind of vibe we want. Sarkin Mota. Should we increase it? So reduce it or increase? I feel like we should put it at this end of the flyer. And yeah. So Sarkin Mota, sorry. The name confuses me sometimes. Car dealership. Sarkin Mota car dealership. Reduce the fonts. We'll change the font also to chunk 5. Let's see how it will look. I feel like this is good. Then let's reduce it a little. Then add some effects. Something like this. Okay. Then now what can we do to add as text? Let's add in the shade things we will put our text to make it more visible. Add it at the end, at the film end. Then we'll let's make it transparent here. Let's say it is. Do you guys think it looks okay because it's red and the red here? I feel it's okay. So let's add our text. Now, Sarkin Mota. Let's say let's add Sarkin Mota. Or should we not give this more space? Not give this more space. Sarkin Mota is your number one. automobile dealership from, let's add numbering. Oh, sorry. Sports cars, because who doesn't like sports cars? Electric cars, um, which other kind of cars are they? Sports, electric, and luxury cars. Let's highlight all of this, keep it to the side, then let's reduce the setting look. Sorry, let's keep the sensor again. Yeah. Then let's increase the fonts. Let's shift this a little bit up. It looks scattered, don't you agree? So let's do it like this and make it something like this. And let's shift it all the way here. Then, and let's reduce the transparency of this. So it looks somehow like this. And let's continue to make it a lot more bigger. Luxury cars. Which other kind of cars are there? Let's say vintage cars. Vintage. Visit Sarkin Mota today for sorry, I'm typing slow. I'm using one hand because I'm holding the mic with the other. So for your dream car, let's say dream car. Although keep in mind that when we are doing official gigs or doing official jobs, we provide a well designed text, or our customers provide a text for us to use. So don't worry about yourself. Don't worry yourself about this. All right? Yeah. So let's say address. Let's keep it low. Address. Since we don't know the address, we'll just put this and number. Let's just put my number there, cause yeah, why not? Number 0906560643. Now let's make this small. Only that text. Yeah. Then what's a car flyer without no visible cars? So let's go there. I had imported some cars already for making the video, so it won't be that much stress. As you can see, we have a Mercedes-Benz, some of our favorite cars, including mine. So let's keep it here. Let's keep this here, and this probably here. So this should be okay, right? Yeah, I feel like it's good and the arrangement is good, especially this one gives more design space. Then let's add our elements to make it more lively. Let's say for instance it's their 30th anniversary, but I don't think it fits. So let's do this. Let's change color. Is this alright? I guess so. Then let's keep this down. I always like adding a rectangular element at the bottom of our flyers. If you notice, I don't know, to me it just gives a very good design. As you can see, we're already making a flyer. Sarkin Mota. Should we change the font of this? Let's see. To chunk 5. Yeah, chunk 5 is kind of good for the exporter. Chunk 5 or the exporter. Let's see. Chunk 5 is kind of big. The exporter, on the other hand, is kind of okay. So let's go for the exporter. Yeah, we use the exporter. So Sarkin Mota car dealership. Sarkin Mota is your number one automobile dealership. From sports cars, electric cars, luxury cars, vintage cars. Visit Sarkin Mota today for your dream car. Let's add some exclamations to make it more lively. Then what else should we add to make it more lively? Let's add a time when they will be open. Although I don't know the exact time. I think they are open all the time, but just for flyer purposes, time icon. Oh shit, sorry. So let's give it this time icon. Yeah. Then let's add a text, a little body of text. From 9 o'clock to let's say 10 o'clock p.m. Then which other thing can we add? Let's add an address. Oh no, we don't know the exact address, so let's grab that out. Let's add a call icon. Something like this. Or should we do something like this to make more like it?
Purchase your track today.
A little body of text. 0906-560-6430. So I feel like this is too small. So let's change it to chunk 5 because I feel want to give here. So chunk 5. Yeah. Thank you so much for staying and watching to the end. This is our car dealership flyer. As you can see, we have the Sarkin Mota dealership, the text, the cars obviously, the time and the number. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope to see you next time. So don't forget to subscribe, comment what you want me to do in the next video, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks so much. LA Flyers, bring in your visions to life. Thank you.